Today I'm gonna fit this pump, water pump. It is you can see this one here is suitable for thermostat and mixer taps. It's not suitable for single taps or a non-thermostat, so check before you buy. So this is what I'm gonna fit today. So this is the specification you need to know, and the reason why I'm fitting it, I'm gonna show you in a minute. This is the shower. It's on a second floor. So when you open the shower, that's the cold one. But when you make it hot, you can see it's very, very slow. So this is the hot water, yeah. So we will see the difference after we install the pump. So that's how it is. If you can see, it's a very, very slow. It's gonna go under the bathtub here somewhere. So you need electricity for this pump because it works with electricity, obviously. So my electricity is just behind this wall, so I'm gonna bring it down under the bathtub. So it's gonna be all practical, yeah. So you're gonna see the real difference between before and after installing the pump. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, if it helps you. It's not gonna only show and tell video. It's gonna be like proper practical video demonstration, I would say, like practical demonstration of the pump, if it really works or not works. So let's start. So that is the electric I'm gonna take from here at the bottom and straight in the underneath the bottom there. So yeah, you need electricity wherever you go. So for this pump you need electricity. So yeah, just make sure you take it from the nearest point. This is the nearest point I have. Okay guys, I have fitted the pump. Water pump is on that floor because I didn't have a space to fit it. I did a bit of messy plumbing, doesn't matter. It's gonna be all hidden away. So yeah, I left there it's electricity. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check it for you if it really works or not working. So you saw the video before, so now you see this one. Wow, that is a lot better, I would say. This is on a cold, this is on a hot. It is a very, very good one. I think the pressure went, I would say, from 10% to 80%. Wow, that is a brilliant result, I would say. So this was the pump. It's underneath the bath. It's a silent one. You can hear the vibration a bit, but it's still fine. When you're having a shower, you can't even hear it. So yeah, that is really nice one. You can see it's really working fine, brilliantly. Yeah, the pressure went, I would say, massively. It was increased. Yeah, so pump is recommended and it's really good one. Yeah, it really increased the pressure, so I would really recommend it. I hope you liked the video and you like the before and after video. So please do subscribe my channel and like my video and share this video and leave a comment if it really gives you something positive. So I think this is for the good one.